Hey guys, how's it going? Today I'm going to show you how to delete truelancer account. So first of all, go ahead to your browser. And if your account is deactivated or you're asked to close your account, you will no longer be able to use the service. If you would like to delete your account in their system, you can do so by sending a written request by email to accountdelete@truelancer.com, and basically you're gonna reach out to them by the email to tell them that I don't want to use that account, or I want to start closing that account, and they will help you with that process. And before you move forward to delete your account, just collect your information, some your ID, your name, and all payment information and all that. Just take it off so you can begin the process of deleting your account. All right, and then basically any information collected from users or from third parties. Okay, so let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching, and we will definitely see you in the next one.